Hello everyone! Today I'm going to make stir-fried purple okra with mushroom. Purple okra is my new found in Middle East. I bought it for its beautiful color. Except the color, it tastes similar with the green ones. You may use green ones instead. The small ones are the best. There are much fibers in big ones. It doesn't taste good. If there are a lot of dark mottled, it means they are not fresh anymore. Obliquely slice the okra from the tail. At the end, cut off the stem. Or you may cut off stem first, then slice it obliquely. Oblique slices is easier to pick up when you eat. Same way slice the spring onion whites. If the green part is very white, cut in half. Then finally cut them. Slice the chili obliquely. You can skip it if you're not a spicy lover. Medium fire. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons oil. Oil the pan. You don't have to wait for the oil becoming hot. Add mushrooms. The glutamic acid in fresh mushrooms must use oil to cook the water out so it can release the umami flavor. That's why dry mushrooms always smells more fragrant than the fresh one. Stir-fry the mushroom to golden. Add okra. Add salt immediately after mixing well. It helps to absorb the salt better. After 30 seconds, add the spring onion white and chili. Soy sauce, sugar, water. The generated steam can moisture the okra. "30 seconds later, add the spring onion green. 1 teaspoon sesame oil accordingly. Keep cooking for 20 seconds. Let the spring onion and the sesame oil release the flavor. Serve on a plate. Shape it. This is for photo later. From washing to done, this dish only took about 10 to 15 minutes, and it tastes delicious. Let's see the final work one more time. If you like this recipe, please give a thumb up, share, and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.